In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if Microsoft Store is not opening. The first thing you want to do is to search for Microsoft Store. And then you want to right-click this app right here. And then you want to click App Settings. And inside here you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Reset, and here you want to click Repair. And now you want to try it again. If this is not working, you want to click Reset. And if you have tried Reset and it still don't work, you want to go down to the search bar again, and then you want to search for Troubleshoot Settings. And then you want to click Other Troubleshooters. And then you want to click Run beside Windows Update. And if this didn't solve your problem, I have a last step you can try. Go to the search bar again, and then you want to search for Services. And then click it. And then you want to find where it says Windows Update. Double click it. And inside here, and then you want to make sure that this drop down menu is set to automatic. Then you want to click Apply. And then you want to click Stop. And then you want to click Start again. So this is how you fix Microsoft Store not opening. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.